You could go over here. It's up there. It's coming up.
And we're doing a bit of a sing-along, everybody. You know what to do.
Oh, yeah. You're going to have to be a little over to the side
There it goes. Rain Edward, look at this. I'm getting a good picture. What? The what? Yeah, it's getting bigger.
That's not even a beach.
Not yet.
Can you hold this, please? I don't trust it, man.
I'm going to hold it.
Yeah, I'll put it. Yeah, I'm going to.
There it goes.
Yeah, it's getting. Oh, it's not getting as big as I thought it would. Now it's getting bigger.
Yeah, there you go. Stand up.
How about no?
No. I give you two.
Okay. After you.
I want to go look.
Both of you shut up now.
I'm talking to Andre.
All right. Quit threatening each other. All right, I'm moving in. Perfect. This is a great opportunity, right? You can hear it crackling. Yeah, it's getting bigger. Wow.
That's not big.
That's not big? You must be stupid then. Wow. Yeah, it's getting huge. Look at the Iron Mike. I don't know where Iron Mike is. Taking off my shoes. That's better. I'm putting them back on. I don't want to get burned.
There it goes.
Yep, it's getting bigger now. I'm gonna get ready to back up.
It's gonna tip.
If that thing tips, I'm gonna get a little scared. Oh, look at that flame.
That's not big.
Andy, can you get that, please? Damn it. Oh, damn, it's wet. Bum, bum, bum. Damn. Sorry, this is a little shitty. Ah, damn it. Damn. Oh, that's just shitty now. Wow.
Oh, wow.
You can feel it getting warm.
You can.
Wow.
It's gonna tip.
That thing is gonna tip.
Wow.
You can just feel the heat. Am I right? You can just feel the heat.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thanks, my iPad.
That's cool.
My school lent it to me. Like they lent it to all the freshmen and sophomores.
Nice.
Just look at that flame. Yeah, it's taking the video.
Am I in your way?
Oh, yeah. Just move this way for a second.
Sorry.
No, you're not. I just moved.
Hey, you know what we should do when we go?
That's at least 20 feet high. That flame's going.
Hey,
At least 20 feet.
Grayson, know what we should tell everybody at school?
What?
That this is a building.
Yeah, it looks like a building. Holy crap, it's a building.
Look at it.
That's at least 20 feet high.
I'm afraid it's gonna tip.
I don't think so.
It might.
One up the top is
It might tip.
That one might tip.
It tip.
It's like the other side.
Shut up, Andre. I'm gonna focus in on that. That's much better. Look what I did. Andrew, come here. Look what I did. Much better. Look at. Look. Doesn't the flame look better?
Yeah. That video is 4 minutes.
Yeah. Most of it's crappy. Dude, imagine I took this with a thermal cam.
Try
that
it.
would be
Try it.
sick. I don't want to miss the fire though. Dude, you can like feel the heat now.
I can't.
Okay.
Yeah, I can. All right, you guys might want to back up.
No, I'm fine.
Stupid. See, this is the kid who said it's fine.
To me.
Yeah, yeah, right
That's
there.
fine.
Dumbass.
I said it's fine too.
What?
You look like you're...
Shut up.
Oh, wait, I did it again.
Ow, stop kicking me.
You don't kiss me?
Andre. What am I doing?
Wow. No, Andrew is.
He kicked me.
Did not.
Actually, that chin on my back right here. Yeah, that's him.
You got that from the sand. All right, I'm backing up. I'm backing up.
I am backing up.
Andrew, can you move out of the way a little bit? Thank you, Andrew. Wow, just look at how hot that. Oh, you gotta back up. That's 30 feet now. 30 feet.
It is.
I want to see if it melts the rope.
I love the sound. It sounds awesome.
I want it.
Whoa!
Well, I gotta. That's much.
I want to clap.
Dude, back up. Now it's 40 feet. At least 40
You
feet.
feel the heat from here.
I can feel it from here.
Andrew, look at this. This is good video.
It's coming down any minute.
And this video's been going on for 6 minutes. I'm backing up more. And even more.
Want to walk to the water?
Now it's at least 40 feet. Yep. What's up?
Was it getting hot up there?
Yep. Andre! How's it feel? Whoa. I'm backing up. Andrew! Come here! Much better. Backing up some more. It's getting hot. 8 minutes. Wow. Wow, it just tips. Andrew! Wow, it's getting hot.
A pair of jeans just right, and a radio. A lot of sweet song. See the love in my woman's eyes. Feel the touch of a precious child. No mother's love. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of Georgia pine. That's home. Sweet tea, get wine.
Sorry. Sorry.
but it's filled with love.
Right there.
Are you really from Springfield, Mac?
Nope.
No.
Maynard. Got the shirt at Kmart.
Saw Springfield and just said, oh, you're really from Springfield.
Yeah, not really, but
Are you from Springfield?
no.
He is. Oh, hi. I'm from Pittsfield.
Wow, this flame is big.
We probably don't know anybody then.
What?
We probably don't know anybody.
You mean more people?
Yeah. No, I meant
50 feet.
If I said a name, you wouldn't know who it is.
My brother was in one Taking pictures?
No, video. Wow. There it goes.
No, I think this is
What's up, Brain Dead?
so freaking hot over there. It's hot over here.
Yeah,
I was getting burned from there.
that's why I moved.
It's getting burned.
I'm